Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to talk about Velcro. So I found myself using Velcro on my camera rig setup for my GoPro in a couple different aspects. One is my Comica clip had broke, and so I figured out a way to just Velcro it onto my camera, and so it just would stay like that. And it works fine, so I'm perfectly fine with that. The only thing is that from repeated use, the Velcro's lost its ability to stick, so you gotta like really jab it on there to get it to work, but even then it still will come off, and so that's a problem. So, but I mean, it still dangles, which I mean, as long as it's there, it's good, but still, I want it secure. The other problem is that these GoPros are very prone to overheating, so I do some things to reduce the heating. One, by removing the battery, and then I'm using this Volta battery pack to power it so it stays cooler. But the two other things that really help is, one, I have another little tripod with a shade little umbrella that keeps the sun directly off of it. That helps. But the biggest thing that helps, got this cheap little fan that it's got 5 different settings, and if I had hair, you could actually see this fan blowing the hair around on my head, but since I don't have any, you can't see it. But anyway, it does work. But I put Velcro on it, and then it's on there. But so if it's just stationary, that's fine. But if I have this on any type of mobility where it's moving around, exactly that, so it comes off. So even though this is heavy duty Velcro, it doesn't hold on. So I thought, it's like, well, what else can I do? So, you know, I was looking at different options, and I ended up getting a better type of Velcro. And there's this one. It was actually said it was 3M, but then, you know, when I get it from Amazon, I think this pack was $17.02. This is the type of plastic Velcro that has much better adhesion, or where they bond into each other way better than just that traditional hook and latch. So let's open this up and see what we got. So they have the self-adhesive strips on them. Open this up here and pull one of these out on this side. Okay, and then open up this pack and pull one out on this side. Okay. So I don't know if you can see, it is more of a plastic meshing to where when they kind of snap into place, and man, they're on there. There's no way I can even pull this apart like that sideways that way. But they lock in there, and you can just hear how that's. And so with that, you get a lot more use out of it before it starts to deteriorate. And it's like, even if I just mesh just that little bit, it's like super strong. So this is what I needed to replace this weaker cloth-like hook and latch type of Velcro. So I'm going to put these on. See, the adhesion on these Velcros was actually better than the Velcro itself. Oh man. Okay. So I got that one off. I'll pull the one off my camera. Okay. And then looks like I'm gonna have to cut this. Just a second here. I'll measure. Cut off about a 1/2 inch. Just like so. Yep, that's good. So just peel this adhesion off. Like so. That's pretty sticky. Well, it is 3M. Okay, so I got that one on this side. Get that on there. Yep. And then I don't need to even cut this one. That way it'll give me a little bit of adjusting area on the other one. This on here. Okay. I got that on my GoPro Volta. So now I can block that in, and then see, nothing's going to make that is not going to fall off. And I can just twist and pull it off. So that's awesome. So this is definitely going to serve its purpose. So I can do the very same thing to my microphone receiver. Okay. Get me out another strip. The adhesion off of my camera. And see, I'll just measure and cut that as well. Okay. Pull the adhesion off. Put that on the back of my microphone. Like so. Okay. Microphone and receiver. Okay. Then I guess I can just put this on here like so. And then cut it again like so. Okay. See if that's going on there like that. I can do like that. Just put that on there like that. So now I can put this, boop, and that's on there. Let's put it back in. And then that's not going to come off either. So that's awesome. These are exactly what I needed. For so long I was dealing with those things continuing to unlatch themselves and fall off, and now I've got a rig that it's not going to fall off, so I am good to go. This stuff is amazing technology. So this is actually strong PHIXBEAR, and I'll put the link down below where you can get this on Amazon. And good stuff, way better than standard Velcro. So if you like this content, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, and until next time,